Welcome back to page 2 of the solutions. I will just keep working on through now. In this question we need to sub 1 into that function. It's only worth 1 mark. You could do it quickly in your head, but I'll show all steps. Subbing in 1. I'm going to add that up, so I'm going to get 1 minus 6 plus 12. 13 minus 6 is 7 for the answer for the 1 mark. Hitting the little down arrow. Function a plus 2. I'm going to do it so I can still see up there. Function a plus 2 equals a plus 2 squared minus 6 times a plus 2 and 12. Again, like the perfect square expansion on page 1, you could do that by knowing the rule, or you could do it the long way. If I did it the long way, I'd have a plus 2, a plus 2. I can expand this minus 6a minus 12 plus 12. So the 12s are going to cancel. And I'm going to expand using FOIL. I'm going to have a squared, I'm going to have plus 2a, I'm going to have another plus 2a, I'm going to have plus 4, I'm going to take away 6a. It's going to simplify to an a squared. 4a take 6a will be minus 2a and plus 4. It's worth 3 marks. You would get 1 for subbing in, 1 for expanding and grouping either of those lines there, and 1 for the final answer. Got to express that function in turning point form. So that's interesting, isn't it? So I need the function x squared minus 6x plus 12. X squared minus 6x plus 12. Turning point form. Our technique is to halve the number in front of the x, which is minus 3, and add it on, square it and add it on, and also to take it away. So I've added on minus 3 squared, I've taken away minus 3 squared. This here will be a perfect square, x minus 3 squared plus 12 minus 9. X minus 3 all squared plus 3. Just check the question. Express the function in turning point form. I've done that. It hasn't asked me to state the turning point. That would be plus 3 plus 3 if it did. Just making sure I've answered the question is always a good thing to do. That's worth 3 marks. So that would be 1 for doing that. 1 for adding and subtracting the half the coefficient of x squared. 1 for simplifying a bit, and then 1 for putting it into turning point form. That's the end of the page. Pretty straightforward. Just say